two loonies in the vehicle.
No.
Well, look at those berries. Millions and millions and millions of berries. He's in that bar that I'm driving with. Wacky. Alright, stop. We just had a very nice dinner. And we're taking someone home.
Dinner and
You little prick.
Hey, we got full circus.
Okay,
entertainment.
all right. Don't. It's nothing, anybody. It's just nothing. Just mole.
Moly. Moly. It's more the mustache that bothered me.
Okay.
We kept it in the whole time.
Look at the stone with the water on it. Isn't that pretty? It's lovely. No, I do. I love it. I wanted to film it yesterday. I might get stoned after this. Anyway. Oh my Lord.
I'm sure she had skin.
All right, stop. Speed. Oh, I'll lace this over with music or something. I'll have to. Related to two nut bars. Oh, just plain old nuts. Oh.
Did you see the size?
All right, stop. Shut up. Stop giggling.
It was me. I didn't do it. Her eyes were rolling around her socket.
All right, well, shut up. That was almost a snort. Oh my gosh.
I'm surprised I didn't hear that at the table.
Oh, Prison for Children. I went to school there. It was literally, that's where I met Betty.
Betty.
Right up in the third row, up there on the third floor. Up there. Yep. I need to call her tonight. Oh.
I was watching her eyes.
Okay.
In her head, just fucking circle.
Hey, don't swear at my videos. Cut that out. Bad enough you do it yourself. Holy cow.
Every fully.
Can't go anywhere with him.
It's really the cat on a house.
Will, would you please stop? You're such a jerk.
Fu Manchu.
Oh man. Oh, I hope I have enough music to lay this over. Oh my Lord, my Lord, my Lord.
I didn't do it.
Oh, look at those beautiful flowers over there. I like that. I like when they build up a garden with the rock wall.
That nice purple.
Shut up. What's wrong with him? Yeah, it's your fault, right? It's your fault he turned out that way.
Look at him.
Yeah, look at him.
It's
That's
his
right.
fault.
Yeah. So? There's flowers. Look at flowers. Oh, they're nice. Rock wall.
Why is that guy familiar? That's Wyatt's brother.
Love the sound of the rain. Where are we going?
We're going to show you our gym.